Hello and welcome everybody to this video. Here's Ahmad again with a new tutorial. In this video, we're gonna show you how to use Thrive Architect and how to design awesome web pages. Let's get started. First, you could visit our website greenbackend.com for hosting solutions, and I will share with you the two links. The first link is for Thrive Architect. You could download it from this link. Other link is for WordPress hosting. You could reserve your WordPress hosting using one of the best WordPress solutions, Green Backend WordPress hosting, from this link. We're gonna use Thrive Architect. And what is Thrive Architect? Thrive Architect is a tool, a visual editor that you could use in order to design awesome web pages. There's no in-depth web development skills needed. Only you need a mouse and keyboard and a website, and you're ready to go. You could design your own website by using drag and drop features within this Thrive Architect tool. Alright, what we're gonna do, we have this old page here. We need to redesign it using Thrive Architect. So I've downloaded Thrive using this link and installed it on my WordPress site, and I have a WordPress hosted website on Green Backend with this link. So what is this link? This link is about Green Backend hosting. You could get started by reserving your own WordPress package from this link. We have WordPress solutions for $9 a month. You could get your website. We have 15% discount on annual subscription and 25% discount biannually subscription. You could reserve your own website by following this link and clicking on the host my website button. There is 10 gig free SSD space, line backup. You could make as many as you want snapshots. We have 10 emails, 10 gig mailboxes for over 1,000 email, and we offer free wildcard SSL certificate and also stack cache optimization plugin. Alright, we need to redesign this page using Thrive Architect. All what you have to do is to click on the edit with Thrive Architect with this link, and once you click there, you're gonna start the Thrive Architect. So the first thing you need to do is to delete the old content that we have here. So I'm just gonna click and delete, and just delete all the WordPress old content. You could click save first and close Thrive Architect, and then you can see we don't have any content. But if you go edit post right now, you return to the WP editor, you can see we have text. Make sure that you don't have any text over here, and after that click save. And after this, you go and click on edit with Thrive Architect. Alright. Next step, once you click on edit with Thrive Architect, you're gonna open a new tab. And with this tab, you could get started editing your page using Thrive Architect. So first we need to insert a call to action, or let me say style box. So you could drag and drop the style box over here, and you could select a certain style for it. Let's say we're gonna go with this style. I'm gonna choose it. And instead of this image, I could change it to something related to discount. Let me say here free. Okay, let me search the icons. I need to look for a coupon. Here I'm gonna say 25 off, or up to 50 off. You could type anything you want. And let's try to highlight a certain coupon. Have this link. Let's highlight it. Let's make it bigger. You could select this text and try to increase its size this way. Okay, this is the first thing that we need to do. Other thing, I need to highlight the courses that I want to insert here. So since I want to add highlights, and I need to add more than one call to action, so we could use something called columns. I prefer to use content box, so you could drag content box below this box here, and after that you could add columns. And let's say we need to add 2 columns here. Okay, the first column, I need to assign a call to action to it. So let's say this is the first call to action. I need to insert something like this. This is the first call to action that I want to make. Okay, and here you could change the size or name the thing that you want to offer for your students. In my case, I will talk about my Unity course. Okay, so here, the course that I want, let's give it a short description. Here, not this one. You could add an image as well, but I prefer to add something like that. We need to add an image, so you have to drag and drop image over here. Yeah, you could select your library and select a certain image to describe that course. So in my case, we'll select a certain image. Okay, let's say we have lots of images on the website. Yeah, we'll choose this one. But this is a huge image. I will choose this one. Yeah, you should link this with this image with the link. So I will choose the full size here, and I will insert this into post, as you can see. And here I will choose this text and try to resize the text, and the buy now should be this coupon link. I just enter the link. Alright, this is the first thing. You could copy this call to action by click on the duplicate icon and drag and drop this into the left. You could highlight any course that you have. So in my case, I have another course called Total Unity Blueprint. Let me choose the course icon. So we'll choose a certain icon for that course. let's say we'll go with this option. All right, and here you can just type a certain description about this course. And what is Total Unity Blueprint? You could go to ahmadnaz.com/Total Unity Blueprint, TUB, and from this you could see what is Total Unity Blueprint. Okay, it's basically a complete guide for Unity. You will build more than 10 games, and you'll get over 6 weeks of training for only $99. So I will put also this link over here. Okay, we could just make this bigger. And let me add another text here to make the text, to make the two columns the same height. Sounds like it's gonna be hard. Okay, let's try to make it something like that. 14, let's say 13. Okay, this is the first thing. I'm just gonna click save and add the rest of the things. All right, you could take a preview here, and you can see we got this page. Sounds good. All right, don't forget to add a link to each of the images. So in our case, we have this link here for this course. So make sure that you include the link for the courses that you want. So in our case, I have this course. We have to insert this link for it. Just let me see what we have. Yep. I will just add this link for it. And also, I will attach another link to this one. Alright, sounds good. This is the buy now, the TUB. I will add another link to this image. Okay, this is the first part. Second, I need to add the different courses that I want to promote. So in my case, I will add a, let me say, a paragraph text. I will attach it over here, and I will insert my own text. So I will define the courses that I want to promote. So let me just insert these titles. All right. Also, if you have a special free content, you could also promote that. So I will give a free preview for my students and write some description about the courses that I have. So let me share a few things. I will type another call to action. You could duplicate actually this call to action and drag it all the way down after this paragraph. Here you can see we get another preview, and here you could write more description about this course. So in our case, I will delete this description from here, duplicate the button, I will attach another paragraph just below this button, and just drag this button from here all the way to under the paragraph. Okay, the paragraph is here, should be below the call to action, and after the paragraph I will add another button. Here I will insert some information about the course. So let's say we're gonna add all these details. Alright, I'll get rid of spaces, centralize the text. For this button I will add a padding from the left, so let's say add 100 pixel padding, and we're gonna attach a special link here, buy it now, for that course. Alright, you could attach another paragraph under this button. So let's say we are here below this button, we'll add another paragraph, and within that paragraph we could add videos. So let's say, alright, let's add a video content box first, and within this content box I will add a video and a call to action. So let's add video, and let's choose a certain video for this one. For example, I'll put this video and choose a different style. We could choose, for example, this one. Let's choose this one. Yeah, and we'll attach another button. So you have buttons here. You could add this button over here. You could change the style of this button to be something like that, and change the text to enroll now. You could change the color as well to any color you want, and also you could change, add an icon to the left or to the right. Yeah, here icon. You could change the button width, and the font size of the button can be changed from here. You could also choose a specific font and change the different configuration. Here we have the button. Yeah, you could add an icon to the right or to the left, and you could click on this icon here and change its size as well. Squeeze it a little bit. Let's add a call to action. I'm looking for a call to action. Let's say this one. Okay. I could add, go to the content box that I have. So here we have content box, not this one, the second one. Click here, content box. You could duplicate this content box multiple times. Alright, you could click Ctrl Z if you want to back, And since we're talking about content box over here, we have a button. I want to make sure that this button is below the video and add some padding or margin, let's say 20, okay, 30, 33 margin, and I will select this content box and duplicate it, okay, multiple times because I have more than one course. Alright, and after that I will go here for Alphabet Board course. I will insert the link for Alphabet Board course. So I will select Enroll Now button and change the link. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. Just a second. Okay, change the text of it. This is the first thing. I'm gonna go to the second video and add another course, which is I have the stickers 2D course. So I will change it, stickers 2D course, and I will assign a link for it as well. Here we go. We'll go to the other link. I have another course called Paint Book course. So I'll change the video of it and add its associated link, as you can see over here. And we have more courses. We have the Lock Unlock System course, and we have also the in-app purchase course. So I'll go to these courses and assign them as well with their videos. So we have the Pokemon Ball game course. I'll add it just right there. Change the video. Yep. Here we go. Change the button. And we'll go to the last course that we have, which is the Unity in-app purchase course. Let me just go to that course and change its URL here. I'll change the link for it first, and then we'll change its video. Alright, I've changed the video. Here are the courses that I have. The Unity course, Total Unity Blueprint, and I guess that's pretty much what I want. You could add an HTML content if you want. So I have some assets, more than one asset on the asset store. I'll try to promote them as well. So you have divider, something called divider. You could add it over here, and after that you could add any content that you want. Let's say I will add an image and try to add one of my images. Let me just Google it. I have a pretty much nice image. Alright, let's say upload file, choose this image, and I will try to upload it, or let me select files by going to downloads, and let's go to date. Let's go to this one. All right. I'll insert this image in its full size, and I'll try to link to my asset store link. Alright, so let's go here, link to custom, and just attach my asset store link. And just want to add the assets, some of the assets that I have on the store. So I'm just gonna go here, enter the text. We have this text, and we have another option for HTML content. So you could search custom HTML, you could insert it here, and here you could paste your own HTML content. So in case you have an HTML content, it's very easy to copy and paste the content for this with this option. Just click save, and here you go. You could edit the description. Let me just go here. We have basketball, should be here. Basketball 2D. Yeah, it should be here, the name first and then the text, and here let me add a break. Okay, so yeah, these contents should be filtered a little bit with the breaks. So this is the first one, second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Oops. Yeah, it should be break over here. Yeah, I guess this is pretty much all what I want to do. And could add a button here to be the same link, visit our asset store. Visit our assets store. Alright, just gonna enter this link. Alright, we'll save this page and take a preview of it. Let me just close this, exit with Thrive Architect. And right now you could take a look at this. You can see it's much better than before. So this is the old version of this page. Let me show you. Just a second. This is the old version of this page. And this is the new version of the page. You can see the difference, and it's more professional. It's responsive. You could resize the page. Alright, and mobile devices, and you could see it really works. Awesome. Responsive, and get all the features that you want. Alright, the other thing, you could go edit post from this option, from this menu. And you could change and turn off the sidebar. So in this case, you could change and choose full width, you could show the title, and you could turn off the breadcrumb and the metadata, and you could change the featured image to thumbnail, and after that you could click update, and back to the page. Could take a quick preview. And this is the page with a full width. In case you've changed the page, you can see we have an image over here. You can go to the settings and turn off or choose the default featured image from the top. We could hide the post title as well and click save. Take another preview. Alright, now it's much better, as you can see. Alright, this is pretty much about Thrive Architect. I hope you liked it. I've showed you how to use Thrive in order to change a certain design, a few pages. Also, I've showed you a link for WordPress hosting. And don't forget to visit the page that we've designed, which is Unity 3D development courses that we have here inside the page. You could go to my website, ahmadnas.com, ahmadnas.com, and then /Unity 3D development. Thank you again, guys, for watching. See you in another course and another tutorial.